Hi guys, my name is Sander and today I will show you how I transport these tables to my clients. So you put all this effort in making this beautiful table. Now you want to transport it to your client and you want to make sure it stays safe. It doesn't get scratched and you don't bump the edges so you don't get dents in your table. I am going to show you how I transport my tables, how I package my tables so they stay protected during transport. So normally I would turn this table upside down and remove the legs, but today I'm all by myself, so I'm going to take off the legs while the table is standing. You gotta be really careful when you do this, because the table could fall and that would damage the table, and that's a real shame. So let's get to it. I got all the bolts removed except for one in each leg, so the legs are still attached to the table. Let's take those last ones out and hope the table doesn't fall. So first of all, we got to make sure that these corners don't get damaged, and we're going to do that by grabbing a towel. So let me do that first. So I put this towel under the table like this, and fold it back in. Then I use this plastic foil to wrap it in. So the edges of the table are protected now. Let's make sure the river gets protected. So, and to be extra sure, we put another layer of plastic foil around the table. This client didn't order just a table, he also ordered these serving boards, so I'm going to package these as well. So I got the table ready for transport. Let's get it into the car.